How to sell solo ads. So if you search this on internet, you will probably end up on Udemy, which is a solo ad marketplace. But no one will gonna tell you the actual secret of becoming a legit solo ad vendor without going to a marketplace. So in this video, I am going to tell you the real practical way to start your solo ad business, and you might be surprised to know that most of the big players of this niche become big by selling solo ads on their own or maybe via their website, but not through their marketplace. Here is how you can actually become a solo ad vendor and can make money with these simple steps. So step number 1, research your niche. Before getting started with any business, you surely need to choose a niche, and the same goes with the solo ads. And since the responsiveness of your email list would also highly depend on this, you definitely need to niche down so that you can work on a particular audience. Some common niches that have massive demand of solo ads are like crypto, make money online, weight loss, health and wellness, and business opportunity niche. And the step is crucial because you cannot just randomly go to a marketplace and start taking orders for clicks for any type of solo ads. Because if you send random offer to your list, firstly you will harm your email reputation because people will start spamming you, and also no one would click on an irrelevant offer, so you won't be able to deliver the order of clicks that to your clients. So this way you definitely cannot work or make money, right? So now after deciding your niche, the next step is to build an email list, because of course you will be needing an email list to sell email ads, and yes, building an email list takes time and effort, but hey, Rome was not built in a single day. So everything that is worth creating takes time. But the good part is you don't actually need to wait for 6 months or more until you have like 10,000 subscribers. In fact, you can get started without a list. And to know how, just go to the link in the description. But still, I won't tell you that building an email list is an optional or you don't really need one in the long run. Because if you want to do it for a long run, you surely need an email list, because money is in the list and the fortune is in the follow. Okay, that one is not that much straight, because you have two ways to actually getting started with a solo ad business. The one is selling solo ads through a marketplace, and the other way is selling solo ads on your own. So here I'm going to tell you a little bit about both, but my favorite way is selling on your own, and tell you why it is on my pick. So let's start with the first way, and that is selling solo ads through a marketplace. There are a lot of solo ad marketplaces like Udemy and soloadx.com, where solo ad buyers and sellers can meet on the same platform. And for instance, I'm going to tell you about how to do on Udemy. Firstly, you need to create a seller account on Udemy, and then you need to market your Udemy, your Udemy seller position, also a Udemy seller profile. Although Udemy is a great place to actually get started as a newcomer, as it is too easy to set up and it does not even take any charge to create a seller account. But there are some limitations working on a marketplace. The first one is that on Udemy, there is a price bracket for a new seller, and you have to keep your click price under that bracket. You can say it kind of control your clicks pricing. Number 2 is that there is a huge number of sellers, which means greater competition. And due to the availability of so many options, buyers likely to choose a seasoned vendor instead of a new one. So it is quite competitive for a newbie solo ad vendor. Plus you have to pay for some advanced settings later, and Udemy also take a percentage of your sale. And that is why I like other way, which is selling solo ads on your own, which simply means that you don't have to join a marketplace. So how do you gonna sell without going to a marketplace? This is a big question. Well, for this you will need two things, and the number 1 is website, and number 2 is social media account. But just like any other business, having a website of your own is highly important in a solo ad business, because it builds credibility and authority of your business and sets you as a reputed seller in the eyes of your targeted audience. Plus you will need a social media to find leads, and Facebook is a great place to sell solo ads, because there's a plenty of affiliate marketers who are constantly looking for traffic. And you can even join solo ad group on Facebook or create your own group to build better connection. This is my favorite method of selling solo ad, because I have been doing this for over 8 years and making 5 figures per month while selling it on my partner's profile. Plus, this way you can even have more control over your own click pricing, and you can even earn more profit as compared to selling through a marketplace. So comment down what do you think and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on setting up your business online. Until next time, keep moving forward. Cheers. Bye bye.